Okay, as we have hinted a little bit already from the syllabus and from our Making Meaning in Language lesson, essay number 1 is going to be an advertisement analysis. If you check out the assignment worksheet, the key information is all right here on the first page. We have the official assignment description and the timeline for completion, as well as a few thought questions to get you thinking about the topic before you really begin researching and writing. The formal assignment says, in about 2,500 words, using MLA format and integrating ideas from Victoria Welby and Ferdinand de Saussure and Jib Fowles, interpret, critique, and analyze the semiological processes and rhetorical strategies at work in 5 representations of a product or service. So this assignment is going to ask you to find 5 advertisements, or if you like, you can use the product itself, since often product packaging is another form of advertisement that communicates various messages. 5 representations of one type of product or service. And hopefully this will be something that you feel is crucial to everyday life or important to the world as we know it. So some examples might be the internet or cell phones or, masculine or feminine hygiene products. Those type of advertisements for clean energy or renewable resources. You can pretty much choose any topic you would like, but hopefully you'll be directed more toward advertisements that have a rich and multi-layered meaning to them. Moving up in the assignment description, interpret, critique, and analyze the semiological processes. So that's a key word from Ferdinand de Saussure's article that we read for homework last week. Let's make sure in our discussion of that reading assignment that we really understand what this concept means. So if you're a little bit hazy on this new term, go over to the discussion, read back through your text and see anytime there's a mention of semiological in the article, bring that up for discussion so we can really get to the bottom of what that means. And secondly, rhetorical strategies. So those are rhetorical appeals. So all the variety of appeals to logos with all of those argument structures, those underlying logic. You might have seen some of those on the quiz today. The appeals, so appeals to pathos, so the emotional side of marketing messages, and then appeals to authority, which might come in the shape of expert testimony or, 4 out of 5 doctors recommend, or a celebrity endorsement. So the semiological processes, that's de Saussure's idea of how we unite a sign, like a symbol, and its meaning. And then the rhetorical strategies. We'll get a little bit more into rhetorical strategies when you read Jib Fowles' article tonight. Another element of the assignment asks for ideas from all 3 of the major authors that we're studying in this unit. So as long as you're applying a quotation, a meaningful quotation from all of those authors, you're going to meet that minimum requirement. MLA format, hopefully from English 122, we all remember what that is, but we'll have a short little review of it later. And then 2,500 words. So the formal assignment, once again, in about 2,500 words, using MLA format and integrating ideas from Victoria Welby and Ferdinand de Saussure and Jib Fowles interpret, critique, and analyze the semiological processes and rhetorical strategies at work in 5 representations of a product or service.